Ollama and LM Studio are two local AI runners designed to host large language models directly on your machine. Both support GGUF formats and enable offline inference, but they differ in interface, workflow, and system integration. Ollama is CLI first, containerized, and optimized for simplicity, while LM Studio offers a GUI with real-time token streaming, prompt history, and model filtering. Ollama excels in fast setup and minimal resource usage, making it ideal for quick tasks and automation. It supports M1, M2, Max, and Linux with efficient memory handling. LM Studio runs on Windows, macOS, and Linux with broader GPU support and more granular control over model parameters. It's best suited for experimentation, prompt engineering, and visual workflows. Ollama is faster for scripting, while LM Studio provides a richer interface for interactive use. For developers and command line users, Ollama is efficient and lightweight. LM Studio wins for users who prefer a visual interface and deeper customization. Both tools are solid. Your choice depends on whether you prioritize speed or control.